stage the at-large delegate committee chairman, Jack Corrigan. Good afternoon. Somewhat of a tough act to follow with Mike Ross and some of the congressional delegation. And I promise not to throw anything, as long as people don't throw things at me. Thank you. First of all, I'd like to thank my co-chair, Judy Dudek, and the members of the alternate at-large and delegate committee. If they please stand, and we give them a round of applause. As most of you know, these conventions are very easy to run and very easy to do, and the committees run so smoothly. But I do want to thank everybody. There were a lot of great people who submitted their names. There were a lot of great people who wanted to be considered for this slot. But it is about getting Governor Romney elected, and the work just has to be focused on that. So thank you all very, very much. The Convention Committee on At-Large Delegates and At-Large Alternate Delegates considered and nominates the following individuals to be delegates and At-Large Alternate Delegates for the National Convention. At-Large Delegates: Tom Cross from Oswego, Jim Edgar from Springfield, Ty Painter from Evanston, Ron Didwitz from Chicago, Denny Hassert from Plano, Chris Radonio from Lamont, Lemire Satter from Winnetka, Carol Smith-Donovan from Chicago, Sandy Stewart from Lake Forest, James R. Thompson from Chicago, Judy Zapinka from Riverside, and Reed Wad from Lake Forest. For alternate at-large delegates, thank you. For alternate at-large delegates, Jill Bess from Mount Carroll, Andy Blankenship from Galena, Gloria Campos from Murfreesboro, Jeff Diedrich from Marion, Robert Grogan from Downers Grove, Josh Lanning from Pontiac, Ron Loudermilk from Mount Carmel, Kevin Meade from Canton, George Overnagel from Waterloo, Brian Stewart from Freeport, Greg Whitslip from Dixon, and Mike Yeager from Effingham. By direction of the committee, I move the convention vote to approve the nominees of the Convention Committee on at-large delegates and at-large alternate delegates. There's a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye. Aye. All opposed? No. It's the opinion of the chair that the ayes have it. Thank you.
Andy.
That was clear. The issue's done. I have to thank the Ron Paul people for what they've done, and therefore now answer the roll call. It's clear. Listen. When I spoke with the folks this morning, you did get the numbers. You got to play by the rules, but everybody in this room, including me. Listen. Let's be respectful. I met with the folks. We've got 8 lawyers back here. We got to follow the rules, and that's what it is. But we thank Ron Paul and his people. We thank the Tea Party. We thank everybody that supported their candidate. We thank everybody that submitted their documents. It was a great election. Illinois was relevant for the first time. We have a nominee now with Mitt Romney. We need to get behind him. And I can't say 4 more years of Barack Obama. Good enough? Here it is. It is a great honor and privilege to introduce a friend of mine who's from Bloomington. I think was on the McLean County Board when he was 20 years old, kind of like Aaron Schock, a captain in the United States Air Force, one of the 5 that won in 2010, an up-and-comer. He broke every heart in Washington last couple months ago when he got engaged. Adam Hinton.
In a world where one man cannot lose, the fate of the world rests in one top secret mission.
My last one, please. Yes, after my question, I have all questions.
Your mission is simple, Mr. Obama. With one last election to gain unchecked flexibility, weaken our defenses, and fundamentally transform the world, Dmitry will transmit the information.
Starring Barack Obama as President Flexible, Dmitry Medvedev as Dr. Transmitcom, and Vladimir Putin as himself. Operation Hot Mic.
I'm now here to give the Platform and Resolutions Committee report. I have the distinct honor of chairing that committee. I first want to thank my co-chair, Senator Severson, who did a great job, and the committee members themselves who did a tremendous job. I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, every one of these members on this committee were engaged, they were passionate, they were informed, they were involved, and they did their work. You can be proud of them. We actually started our process, we started our work early, and we finished it late yesterday because it was very, very serious work that we did partake here. And again, I'm very proud of the committee that I served with, and all of you can be very proud of them as well. We did pass the platform. This platform was gone through very, very thoroughly. Every line, every section was studied. Resolutions were offered, amendments were offered, some changes were made, and at the end of the day, the committee passed the platform, and I'm here now in front of you to move the approval of the Platform and Resolutions Committee report. Is there a second? All those in favor? Aye? Aye. Opposed? Aye. Motion passed. Thank you. Pleasure of introducing the chairman of the National Committeeman, National Committeewoman Committee, Deb Devers.